Namaskar to all of you and welcome in this yoga session. I am Rajeev Rajesh and today along with me for the demonstration is my colleague Mr. Pratap Dash. Well, aging is a natural process. It is characterized by declining physical and mental performance that affects life as well as sense of well-being. Yoga helps delay the deterioration that comes with the aging process. So today we will learn a few practices that will help elderly people to maintain good physical and mental health. But before we start, let me inform you that we are teaching you from a well sanitized place. Please follow the government guidelines and cooperate with the health workers. Be safe, be alert and be healthy. With these words, let us start the session. Sit comfortably. Hands on the knees and a mudra. Eyes gently closed. Become aware of your breathing, your incoming and the outgoing breath. Letting go all the tensions. Bring your mind at the eyebrow center. Keeping the awareness at the eyebrow center, we will chant the mantra Om 3 times together. Inhale deeply. Feel the vibration. Om has calming effect on the mind. Now gently open the eyes. We will start this session with the ankle exercise. So stretch your legs forward. Keep your legs together, spine erect. Place the palm beside the body, fingers pointing on the opposite side. Now this is the starting position for the practice. Take a deep breath. While exhaling, move the ankle and the toes forward. Bend as much as you can and stretch. Feel the stretching effect. While exhaling, move the toes inward, the ankle inward. Feel the effect on the calf, on the knees. Exhale, bend forward. Visualize the stretching. Exhale, and now inhale, move back. Repeat 2 more times. Visualize the effect. This helps to remove stiffness from the ankle joint, strengthens calf and the knee joint as well. And now relax yourself. Now we do the ankle rotation. So take a deep breath. While exhaling, move forward. Inhale, move toward the right side, move back. Exhale, start bending forward. Practice 4 more rotation like this. अभ्यास को आराम से करें, घुटनों को ऊपर नहीं उठाएं. Now practice in the reverse direction. This improves the flexibility of the ankle joint. Be aware of the rotation. And now relax yourself, shake your legs, relax the body. Our next practice is Titli Asana, the practice of butterfly. Fold the right leg. Bring the heel close to your perineum. Now fold the left leg, join the soles together, interlock the fingers, hold the toes, bring the heels closer to the perineum as much as it is possible. Keep your spine erect. Now, while you inhale, move the knees up as high as it is comfortable. Hold it. Exhale, lower down the knees. Breathe in, raise the knees up. Exhale and lower down. श्वास लेते हुए घुटनों को ऊपर उठाइए, थोड़ा रुकिए. सांस छोड़ते हुए पूरी तरह इसे नीचे ले जाएं, जमीन तक लाने का प्रयास. सांस लें, ऊपर की तरफ उठाइए. Exhale and move it down. इस अभ्यास को आप तेज गति से भी कर सकते हैं, 10 बार तेज गति से भी करें. Due to sitting for prolonged period, the hip joint becomes inflexible and weak. Titli Asana stretches the inner thigh and knees, reducing stiffness and pain of the hip joint. And now relax yourself, release the toes, sit comfortably. किसी भी आरामदायक स्थिति में बैठ जाएं, आंखें बंद कर लें और अभ्यास के प्रभाव को महसूस करें. अगला अभ्यास है कंधों का अभ्यास. तो किसी भी आरामदायक स्थिति में पहले बैठें. You can sit in simple cross-legged position, you can sit on chair if it is not possible, or you can sit in Vajrasana. We are going to practice shoulder rotation. Stretch the hands on the sides. Bend the hands from the elbows. Place the tip of the fingers on the shoulder balls. Now bring the elbows in front, join them together. As you breathe in, raise the elbows up. While exhaling, move it back and then bring it down. Coordinate the movement with the breathing. श्वास लेते हुए कोहनी को ऊपर उठाएं, सांस छोड़ते हुए पीछे ले जाएं और नीचे लाएं. 3 बार और इस अभ्यास को दोहराएं. Now practice in the reverse direction. This improves the range of motion. Helps relieve strain from the shoulder and the upper back. Effective practice in cervical spondylosis. And now bring the hands down. Place the hands on the thighs. Close the eyes. Observe your breathing. Feel the sensation in the arms. And now gently open the eyes. अगला अभ्यास है गर्दन का अभ्यास. We are going to practice neck rotation. Take care if you have cervical spondylosis, you will not bend the head forward. Now, bend the head forward for the practice of neck rotation. Now, while inhaling, move the head toward the right side. Move it back. Start exhaling, move toward the left and then bend it down. Now, immediately move in the anti-clockwise. While inhaling, moving toward the left, then moving back, coming toward right and exhaling, bending forward. We have completed one round. Practice 3 more rounds very slowly. Visualizing the effect on the neck. This massages the nerves that passes through the neck. Releases stiffness and tightness from the neck muscles. And now relax yourself. Make your head erect. Close the eyes and observe the breathing. Be aware of the incoming and the outgoing breath. Now gently open the eyes. We will do one more practice in the sitting position. This is called Parvat asana. So sit erect, head and spine should be straight. Place the hand by the side of the body. While you inhale, raise both the arms above the head. Join the palms together. Keep your elbows straight. This is the final position. Breathe normally. Feel the stretch in the spine. This releases stiffness and tightness from your spine, improves your breathing, controls high blood pressure. While exhaling, slowly bring the hands beside the body. अभ्यास को फिर से करेंगे. श्वास लेते हुए अपने दोनों हाथों को ऊपर उठाएं. हथेलियों को आपस में मिला लें. श्वास की प्रक्रिया सामान्य कर लीजिए. खिंचाव का अनुभव करें. और अब आप श्वास छोड़ते हुए धीरे धीरे अपने हाथों को नीचे लाएं. थोड़ा विश्राम कर लें. आंख बंद. सजगता सांस की तरफ. And now gently open the eyes. अब हम लोग एक अभ्यास पेट के बल पर लेट करके करेंगे. तो कृपया पेट के बल पर लेट जाएं। On the abdomen, we are going to practice Bhujangasana, which helps to strengthen the back muscles. Keep your legs together, keeping the soles upward. If you have severe back pain, then you can keep the legs slightly apart, and you can see in the screen. If you don't have the pain, keep the feet together. Place the palm beside the chest, chin on the ground. Now, while inhaling, raise the head, chest, the navel up. Keep your hands slightly bent from the elbows. Bend the head backward. This is the final position. Breathe normally. Feel the effect on your spine, on your back. Feel the stretching in the neck, chest and abdomen. While exhaling, slowly bring the chin down. फिर से इस अभ्यास को दोहराएंगे। श्वास लेते हुए धीरे धीरे अपने सिर, छाती, नाभि को ऊपर उठाएं, गर्दन को पीछे झुका लें। सांस की प्रक्रिया सामान्य कर लीजिए। श्वास छोड़ते हुए धीरे धीरे अपनी ठुड्डी को नीचे लाएं। एक बार और इस अभ्यास को करेंगे। While inhaling, raising the head, chest and the navel up, looking up, breathing normally. Bhujangasana improves blood circulation. It strengthens the back muscles, improves the function of lungs and heart in elderly people. While exhaling, slowly bring the chin down. Now place the palm under the chin and relax your body. अब हम लोग दो अभ्यास पीठ के बल पर लेट करके करेंगे, तो कृपया आप करवट लेते हुए पीठ के बल पर लेट जाएं। On the back, first we are going to practice Pavan Muktasana. Pavan Muktasana is the wind releasing pose. Keep your legs together. Head and spine should be in a straight line. Bring your hands closer to the body, the palms downward. Take care if you have severe back pain, then you can bend the left leg and then do the practice. While you inhale, raise the right leg up. Bend the leg at the knee. Interlock the fingers and hold the shin just below the knee. While exhaling, press the thigh against the abdomen, press well. Keep your left leg straight, ankle and toes pointing forward. Feel the stretch in the buttock. Feel the pressure in the abdomen. Now let us release the pose. Release the fingers, keep them by the side of the body. While inhaling, raise the right leg up. While exhaling, slowly bring the right leg down. अभ्यास को बाएं पैर से दोहराएंगे। श्वास लेते हुए अपने बाएं पैर को ऊपर उठाइए। पैर को घुटने से मोड़ें। दोनों हाथों की उंगलियों को आपस में फंसा लें। ठीक घुटने के नीचे पैर को पकड़िए। अब सांस छोड़ते हुए अपने पेट को जांघ से अच्छी तरह दबाएं। पेट पर दबाव को अनुभव करें। नितंब में खिंचाव का अनुभव। यह वायु विकार की समस्या में, कब्ज की तकलीफ में उपयोगी अभ्यास है। हाथों को अलग करें, शरीर के बगल में रखें। श्वास लेते हुए पैर को ऊपर उठाइए और सांस छोड़ते हुए पैरों को नीचे लाएं। Let us repeat with the right leg. As you breathe in, raise the right leg up, bend the leg at the knee, interlock the fingers, hold the shin. While exhaling, press the thigh against the abdomen, press well, breathe normally. Release the fingers, keep them beside the body. Inhale, raise the right leg up. Exhale and bring the leg down. Now let us do with the left leg. सांस लेते हुए अपने बाएं पैर को ऊपर उठाइए। पैर को घुटने से मोड़ें। हाथों की उंगलियों को आपस में फंसाएं। ठीक घुटने के नीचे पैर को पकड़िए। सांस छोड़ते हुए अपने पेट को जांघ से दबाएं। श्वास की प्रक्रिया सामान्य रूप से कीजिए। Now release the fingers. Place the palm beside the body. Inhale, raise the leg up. While exhaling, slowly bring the leg down. Watch your breathing for some time, completely relaxing the whole body. अगला अभ्यास है मरकट आसन का अभ्यास। दोनों पैरों को मोड़ें। एड़ी को नितंब के निकट लाएं। पैरों को मिला करके रखिए। पैर के घुटने को भी मिला करके रखें। Now stretch the hands, bring them at the level of the shoulders. Keep your palms upward. Inhale deeply in this position. While exhaling, bend the legs toward the right side and try to bring it on the floor. At the same time, turn the head toward the left side. Look to the left palm. This is the final position. Breathe normally. As you breathe in, come back to the center position. श्वास छोड़ते हुए पैरों को इस बार बाईं तरफ घुमाएं, जमीन पर लाने का प्रयास। साथ ही साथ सिर को दाईं तरफ घुमाइए। अपने दाएं हाथ की हथेली को देखिए। कमर पर, मेरुदंड पर जो प्रभाव पड़ रहा है उधर ध्यान को ले जाएं। श्वास लेते हुए बीच में आए। While exhaling, turn the legs to the right side, head and neck to the left. Markatasana stimulates the nerves, creates relaxing effect in your body and mind. It helps reduce stiffness from the spine that comes with age. As you breathe in, come back to the center position. While exhaling, repeat on the other side. breathing normally, effective practice in diabetes and high blood pressure as well. As you breathe in, come back to the center position, stretch the legs forward, bring your hand closer to the body, palms का ध्यान. अब हम लोग बैठ करके एक प्राणायाम करेंगे. इसके लिए सबसे पहले आप अपने दोनों पैरों को मिला लें. अपने दाएं हाथ को सिर के ऊपर ले जाएं, ज़मीन पर लाएं. बाएं पैर को मोड़िए, दाहिनी तरफ करवट लें. अपनी बाईं हथेली छाती के बगल में रखें, थोड़ा रुकें. अब बाईं हथेली पर बल डालते हुए उठिए और उठ करके आराम से बैठ जाएं. हम लोग भ्रामरी प्राणायाम का अभ्यास करेंगे. इस अभ्यास में आपको भौरे की तरह गुंजन करना है और इसके स्पंदन को मस्तिष्क में और संपूर्ण शरीर में महसूस करना है. We will inhale and exhale through the nostril. While exhaling, we have to produce the humming sound from the throat and from the nose. Press the flap of the ear with the thumb. We will do this practice for 5 rounds. Place the index finger on the forehead, remaining finger on the closed eyes. Take a deep breath. While exhaling, produce the humming sound. Bring your hands down. Feel the vibration, the resonance. Feeling the calming effect of the practice on your body, on your mind. यह आपके शरीर और मन से तनाव को मुक्त करता है. अनिद्रा की तकलीफ में यह एक उपयोगी अभ्यास है. ब्लड प्रेशर को भी नियंत्रित करने में यह एक लाभप्रद अभ्यास. Let us finish the session with the chanting of Om Shanti 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 in one breath. Take a deep breath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Feel the vibration. Join the palms together, rub them vigorously. Place the center part of the palm on the eyes and feel the energy. Blink your eyes inside the palms. Open the eyes. Now bring the hands down. Thank you, dear brothers and sisters, for being with us. See you tomorrow at the same time at 8 a.m. Have a very good day.